In this demo I'm going to show you how to use variables within Fieldscapes to provide simple lock and key type functionality. And we can use this as control when student can get access to a particular piece of information. So I'm going to put a couple of objects out. I'm going to put an information box out, which is what the student's going to try and get access to, and a question box out, which is where the student might be asked a question, for instance, in order to get access to the information. What I'm going to have to do though is I'm going to have to create a variable. So I'm going to add a new variable into the system, and we're going to call this key, and give it a name key. We're not going to make this available to the user, so the user can't actually see it on the screen, so the functionality is hidden from them. Save and close that. Then in my information box I'm going to be using the touch behavior, make sure that's enabled at the start, and I'm going to add the first action. So this is the locked action. So here I can actually run a condition, so I can have a test of key and say that if key equals 0, then I can choose to put a pop-up on the screen, display panel, and say sorry, content is locked. And OK, preview that, save that, and save that. And then I can put in a second action where my condition is key equals 1, and in this case I can then provide the information the student actually wants. So pop up success, it is the info you want, and OK, preview that, save that, OK, and save and close. So I've got my two conditions set up here. So what I now need to do is actually implement the key. So all we want to do here is when the user touches this particular box, we're just going to give them the key straight away. Later on we'll show you how to use things like questions to do that. So basically my prop, I'm going to choose variable and choose the key, and I want to set the variable to 1. Save and close. In fact, before we do that, I'm just going to add on another action. So I might as well tell the student they've been successful. So display action. You now have the key. And OK. And save that. OK. And save and close. So now it should be ready to test. So drop into test mode, begin. So if I click on the information box, then it comes up and says to me, sorry, content's locked. So there's no way the student can get into the real content in that particular box. I then touch the question mark, it now tells me I've got the key, and so if I now click on the box, then there's the information I want. So quite a simple demo, but it's quite a powerful system, as I say, to be able to control how a student can get access to information, and you can actually make them sort of answer multiple questions across different locations, changing a variable for each time until such time as they get enough points to be able to open a particular box, or to get access to a new part of the exercise. So that's simple use of variables for lock and key, and as I say, later on we'll show you how to drive those through things like multiple choice questions. Thank you.